Hello and welcome to this unboxing video of the Hikvision or the Hikvision Hiwatch series turret network camera. Now this model is actually the IPC-T240 with a 2.8mm fixed lens. This is 4 megapixel and obviously an IP camera. So let's see what's inside the box. So as we open this up, first things first is a quite handy quick user guide, a drill template for the mounting brackets, which is always handy if you're up a ladder trying to drill the 3 holes to fix the camera to the wall. Some packaging, we have some fixing screws, we have the connector cover. So this actually goes over the connector where you're connecting the cable to the back of the camera, and then the camera itself. So obviously this is a turret camera. Nice build quality. Obviously this is the Hiwatch series version, so it is a little bit lighter than the premium models that NIKVision make. Yeah, nice. This is infrared as well. It does actually have displaying the LEDs for the infrared night vision, but they are actually there. It does work very well. Cable connecting, so you've got obviously your network connector, which is obviously PoE, and you've got a separate power connector as well if you're not using the PoE or don't have the PoE source to power the camera. Now let's see how you take off the rear. Now there's actually, I don't know if you'll pick this up on the camera itself, but where you see these 3 holes here, there's actually a tab just inside. So you can actually remove this rear bracket to screw it to the wall. You spin this around. This one's already aligned. And then what we'll do is quickly pop that tab, like so. And then give it a bit of push to actually disconnect the rear bracket. Now it is a little bit fiddly, but it does come off eventually. There we go. And then you have to give it a little bit of a wiggle, and off it will come. It does feel like you're going to break it, but you're not. So obviously that's the rear mounting bracket, which you can then screw to the wall. After you've screwed it to the wall, you can then pop the camera on to make fitting very much easier. Now, one thing I've noticed when I've installed these previously is the cable length they give you, which is fixed to the back of the camera, so that length can't be changed, is quite long. Now, obviously they've designed that to actually go through a wall, so you can actually connect this internally. Yeah, that's the recommended way of doing it. However, that does mean you're going to have to drill quite a large hole, obviously, to get this through the wall where you're mounting it to. What I've tended to do in the past is wrap some of this behind the camera into that void, which has helped in the past as well. So that's it. Nice little camera if you're on a budget, certainly. 4 megapixel, works very well. Night vision is very good. What I'll do, I'll post a video once I've had this set up so you can actually see the camera in action. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks very much for watching, see you next time.